Okay, so in this video, I want us to take a look at how we can add multi-line comment, or in other words, how to comment out um, consecutive lines of code. Okay, the way we do that is to simply start each line with a hash character, because Python, unlike other programming languages, do not have a special way of getting multi-line comment in your source code. There are other programming languages that have different characters to delimit multi-line comment, but Python doesn't have that. So you have to prepend each statement with your own hash character, and that is how you comment it out. However, I want to show you the shortcuts to commenting out source code using Visual Studio Code. So if I want to comment out line 4 again, all that I have to do is I can click anywhere in line 4 and then I press the command and the / character if you're on Mac. If you're on Windows, you want to press Control and / character. It is a feature that is built into Visual Studio Code, and that helps it to insert comment depending on the programming language. So Visual Studio Code knows which programming language we are using, and it will apply the correct character to achieve commenting. So it is a toggle. So if I do command and then the / again, I'm uncommenting. If I do command / I am commenting. It can be anywhere. I can click outside and still do the same thing, and it's going to do that for me. So if I wanted multi-line comment, all that I have to do is to select multiple lines and then I press the command and the / character, and they are going to be commented out for me. If I want to uncomment them, I just press the same combination again, and that is going to be off. So that is it for this section. And I like to mention that we haven't covered everything about comment, but based on what we know so far, these are what we need to know. There is another way of commenting that is known as docstrings that helps us to document our source code and also generate a web page that explains how the APIs of our source code are supposed to be used. And I'm going to reserve that until we have learned enough of those constructs in Python to be able to use them. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next section after a quick pause.